The last problem for this section is dealing with the arctangent, or the tangent. Same process as before. We're going to keep this in terms of tangent because we have arctangent on the calculator. So here we can see tangent is negative. Tangent is negative in the second and the fourth quadrant. So when I draw my reference triangle, I'm going to be in those two quadrants. We'll start by taking the arctangent to both sides. So arctangent and tangent cancel out. And we'll plug into our calculator the tangent inverse of negative 2.8, which gives me a negative 70.35 degrees. Now if you look at that, that's not between 0 and 360, so I'm going to have to add 360 to it to give me 289.65 degrees. When I draw my reference triangle, I'll use that original 70-degree angle, which is in the fourth quadrant. And once again, I didn't put that negative there because that negative just tells me direction. We also know that tangent is negative in the second quadrant, so I'm going to draw a reference triangle in the second quadrant. And what is this angle measurement going to be? Well, this is also going to be the 70.35 degrees. And since I measure my angle measurements in a counterclockwise direction, this is 180, I am 70 degrees before 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 70.35, which is going to give me 109.65 degrees. So then we'll check algebraically. The tangent of 289.65 does equal negative 2.8, and the tangent of 109.65 does equal a negative 2.8. So we'll do tangent of 289.65. And there's negative 2.800. Once again, that's slightly off because we rounded. And tangent of 109.65, sure enough, negative 2.8. So both of those are good. And then we'll check it graphically. y1 this time is going to be the tangent of x. y2 is going to be negative 2.8. So we'll do the tangent of x and then negative 2.8. And I only want the stuff between 0 and 360 degrees, which is going to be on this side. So let me just draw that quick sketch right here. We've got our asymptotes in between there. So same thing as we've seen before with tangent. And we've got the line that goes through there. And my question points are right there, those points of intersection. So we'll do second calc, choose intersect, and we'll just keep moving on over. Looks like that's as close as I'm going to get. And there's my 109.65 intersection point right there. Second calc intersect. And we'll scroll along to the right. And there's my pointer again. That looks pretty close. And there's the 289.65. So this point right here is the 109.65. This is the 289.65. And I've confirmed my answers both algebraically and graphically.